Here we go. Uncle Miming.
Hello, yes, been a while. Not much about you. I'm not sure why I called. I guess I really just wanted to talk to you. And I was thinking maybe later on we could get together for a while. It's been such a long time, and I really do miss your smile. I'm not talking about the leaving, and I don't wanna change your life. But there's a warm wind blowing the stars around, and I really love to see you tonight. We could go walking through a valley park, take a drive along the beach, stay at home and watch TV. You see, it really doesn't matter much to me. I'm not talking about the leaving, and I don't wanna change your life. That there's a warm wind blowing the stars around, and I really love to see you tonight. I wanna spoke and was said, you don't have to lie. We both played a game before. You say I love you, then say goodbye. I'm not talking about the leaving, and I don't wanna change your life. But there's a warm wind blowing the stars around, and I really love to see you tonight.
Ay, pagana,
We
baby.
could go walking through a valley park,
Baby.
take a drive along the beach,
Ay, bag.
stay at home and watch TV. You see, it really doesn't matter much to me. I'm not talking about the leaving, and I don't wanna change your life. 'Cause there's a warm wind blowing the stars around, and I really love to see you tonight. Really love to see you tonight.
Wow,